Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best parallel clamps that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Jorgensen Cabinet Master Parallel Jawbar Clamp. Jorgensen Cabinet Master takes the first position in our list because of its versatility in working with panel doors, plastics, light metals, cabinets, boxes, or even flat surfaces. The perfect 90-degree angle can clamp the materials, glue ups of the materials, and use them for other general purposes. You don't need to bother about the pressure distribution. The deep 3-3/4 inch jaw depth parallelly distributes the pressure on your workpiece. The ergonomic molded 2-component soft grip handle enhances comfort, but it also prevents jaws from slipping. It also gives an extra 30% clamping area, thus ensuring safety for oversized boards. The deep locking system securely attaches the jaws. Besides, the clamps can position horizontally or vertically on any surface. The screw travels 10% faster for rapid jaw opening and closing. It is hence ensuring a comfortable setting or removal of the workpiece. Lastly, you get all these premium features at a reasonable price. Moving on at number 4, we have the Jet 70431-2 clamp for Resemblance. The next on our list is Jet 70431, which arrives in a versatile 2-pack 90-degree parallel clamp. It is popular among woodworkers because of some specific specialties. Besides, the 31-inch long size clamp can serve almost all kinds of purposes. It can handle 1,000 pounds of clamping force. This clamp is long-lasting as it is built of aluminum with I-beam construction and a fully plated rigid spine with a composite design. The zero virtual deflection makes it versatile and adaptable to most of the work. These universal clamps include movable jaws that can convert as a spreader. Also, the user-friendly clamps feature sumo grip handles that give comfort and increase energy. The inbuilt innovative measurement system improves quick identification of opening capacities. Lastly, it has unique features that wouldn't be found in regular clamps. That is why workshops or professional craft workers have highly appreciated it. At number 3, we have the Jet 70411 Parallel Clamp Framing Kit. The new Jet Parallel Clamp has the extra power to perform with exact precision and support that has never been easier with other clamps. It can clamp up to 1,000 pounds of pressure, and an accurate 90 degrees clamping add versatility in woodworking projects. The Precision Rule measurement system and slide guide trigger provide precise adjustments and quick identification of open capacity easily. This clamp's multifaceted structure includes cross-dock framing blocks used for gluing rectangular frames at 4 points reliably and securely. Acme threaded ergonomic handles with soft grip turn quickly and implement continuous sturdy pressure with comfort. Like other reversible movable jaws, it also can be reversed and used as a spreader. A movable rail stand at the end stop helps preset clamping capacity swiftly and correctly. So, this clamp is one of the popular products among woodworkers, and you can also proceed to buy this super strong clamp. At number 2, we have the Irwin 2026500 Tools Record Jawbox clamp. Irwin provides easy-to-use parallel clamps with a precise 90-degree angle that can deliver intense pressure up to 1,150 pounds. The ProTouch ergonomic grip maximizes user comfort by reducing a lot of stress and strain on hands. Additionally, there's a trustworthy locking mechanism to hold the workpieces securely in a place and prevent jaws from slipping. Moreover, this clamp has a 3 3/4 inches jaw depth to distribution the pressure evenly, and also it can be extended to an astounding 48 inches. This versatile clamp has corner clamps to joint the corner. Apparently, the clamp has a resin body that prevents warping and glue adhesion. It is a perfect clamp, especially for carpentry and woodworking. And finally at number 1, we have the Bora 571140 parallel clamp set. This model is the updated edition of the Bora parallel clamp. It is 40 inches long with 3.5-inch deeply padded jaws, provides constant steady and robust pressure without damaging material. The intense and anti-slip jaw stays in place to supply a perfect 500 kg clamping pressure. It can be used for heavy intensive tasks. Furthermore, the easily adjustable jaw and comfortable handle grip allow the workpiece fixed for a long time. Besides, it is available in different lengths of 12, 24, 31, 40, and 50 inches to efficiently fulfill any clamping jobs. The total usable space is 41 to 1/4 of an inch. Moreover, it reduces scraping or tearing the workpiece as its jaws cover with a padded material. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.